So dear friends, this is our second short video on time response analysis for control system engineering. Okay, so the second video is about, so we will define first what is the time response. Fine. So we can tell that the response, which is a function of time, to the applied excitation is called time response of a control system. Fine. And this thing I can explain you through an example. Okay, but before explaining that example, I must state tell about a statement that I have written here. The statement is just observe the last statement. Output takes some finite time to reach a final value. That means the output of a system takes some finite time to reach to a final value. Fine. So what happens? It is not like that when we are giving some input we are getting the output. Yes, while giving some input we are getting the output, and for that also some time is spent. But after we are getting the output also, to reach to a final point, it also takes some time. So whenever you have conducted some experiments in chemistry and physics, you must have noticed that before reaching a finite value, some variations occur. Okay, so I can give you another example. For 1 year, you are studying, okay, to get the output of your preparation. Fine, I can compare it like for 1 year you are preparing to get a better result, and the better result is the final output. But before getting a final output, what you are doing? You are giving a number of tests. Okay, in some you are getting through, in some you are getting failed. So many variations, so many hodgepodge etc. are happening. But at the last you are appearing for the final examination and you are getting a valid result. So in the same in the same way, in a system, when we are giving some input as an excitation, it takes some time to get a output, but that output also takes some time to reach at a final value. So here I have given here an example. Here this is, suppose this is village A, this is village E, and there is a person called Ram wants to go from village A to village B. So what is his destination? What are the questions that will arise? What is the destination? Destination means where to go. And the second thing is journey. How he will go. So I have used two most important words, destination and journey, that we in our proverbs, in our we can say in some life quotes we are writing, like life is a journey, not a destination. Okay, like that we describe. So I have used these two words, so, and these two words are so fascinating to understand. Okay, this example. So what happens? This is the source, this is the destination. So Ram wants to reach at point B, that is village B. So where to go, that we know. How he will go? He can go by a bus, he can go by a car, he can go by a cycle, or else if he chooses, he can go by walking also. Okay, so the time to reach the point P depends upon all the vehicles or the way A is accepting. Not A is accepting, that the person Ram is accepting, while starting from his village A. Okay, so these things, it may also happen that the vehicle in which he was coming, the vehicle is broken. Then the time taken will differ. Okay, so many things are there, so many. Or else he has met an accident with that vehicle, or the road is not good. So many things are there. Okay, so this also depends upon all these factors to reach B. So we can say the time response, can be categorized into two parts. One is transient response. What is transient response? We can say this is variations present. We can say variations within the time. Okay, we can say, just a minute. Yeah, variations within present time. And second one is steady state. Steady state is final state. Okay, so the thing is that so many happenings will be there before reaching at a steady state or the final state. So this is the simple way to explain how time response analysis happens in a control system. It has two states, we can say. One is transient response state, another is steady state. Okay, so before reaching to a final steady value, some variations occur, and this occurs in transient phase. So okay friends, so please go through my video. If you have any questions, please write to me in my comment box. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed.